Hello everyone, in this video we will be talking about how to place a back order with Dynadot, along with pre-filtering them with the power of Domcop. Okay, as you can see, we're on the Dynadot domain back order page. Also, you will notice the current domain back orders that you can place with Dynadot. So what is a back order? A back order, also known as a drop catch, is when a user places a request for a specific domain name they wish to register as soon as it becomes available for registration. Dynadot's caching service allows them to grab the domain name as soon as released to the general public for registration. Dynadot also states, although our system will make every effort to cache the domain before another registrar does, we cannot guarantee we will. Note, Dynadot's back orders are only available for the following: .com, .net, .org, .tv, .cc, and .info. Okay. Now that we have taken a look at the Dynadot.com website, along with an explanation of what a backorder is, we will now go over to Domcop and look into filtering out Dynadot backorder domains. We will first start by making sure we are using the expiring list, since these domains are either in auction or in pending delete status. You will also notice that I have already pre-filtered the domains in order to look for domains that are of quality and that are Dynadot backorder domains. Next, let's take a look at what metrics I selected in order to filter this list down. I like to use the advanced filter, but you can use, of course, the common and the simple filter. Let's click on the advanced filter. Okay, we are on the advanced filter dashboard. You will also notice that I've already pre-populated the filter settings. So let's take a look what I've already set. Under the Moz widget, I set the domain authority to 5. Next, under the Majestic SEO widget, I set both the citation flow and trust flow to both 10. Next, under the info widget, and not to break the bank, I set the price filter to look for domains that are between $25 to $100. Next, let's take a look at the listing types widget. I set only to look for domains that are in auction or in pending delete status. Next, under domain source, I set it to only look for Dynadot domains. Last thing is to set these filters by clicking on the search button. Okay, we are now back on the Domcop main dashboard, and the domains are now filtered with showing Dynadot backorder domains with quality metrics. As an example, let's click on one of the Dynadot domains that you can place a backorder on. As you can see, this domain auction expires in approximately 4 days. You can also place a bid here. And under the domain status, you will see other useful information, such as the number of bidders, if there are any, the number of visitors, the number of inbound links, etc. And over to the right, you will see other metrics to check the domain, such as the Alexa results stats, the Google cache, and the web archive results. At the bottom, there's also a brief explanation on how to bid. Once you have placed the highest bid and the auction ends with no other bids above yours, you win the auction. If this was a public auction, the seller will transfer the domain to you. However, if this is an expiring domain auction, then the order will be completed in 2 weeks. Do note that the original owner does have the right to buy the domain back within the 2 weeks, and if the owner does not, the domain will be transferred to your account at the end of 2 weeks. Lastly, in order to place a bid, you must have a registered account with Dynadot. Thanks for watching the Dynadot tutorial, and we hope to see you on the next video.